This is day 5 since I found the nail. Tire's still holding strong. Hey everybody, welcome back. This week talking about shenanigans with my tire. Just one of my tires. Got a nail in it, had some pressure issues. So yeah, I just wanted to share that with everybody. The new tire got here today. Ordered it from TireRack.com. Only took 2 days to get here. I was really surprised. This is the first time I've had one shipped to the house. Usually I have it shipped to an installer, or the whole set to an installer. This is just one tire. So yeah, there it is. This car of course takes a 255/50 R19. There's that nail still in this guy, and he's still holding pressure like a champ. Not sure how. My car smells so good because it smells like tires. Am I the only one who loves tire smell? Well, that's what my car smells like right now. I got the tire through Tire Rack, and when I bought the set of 4, which was not that long ago, they're running the free road hazard deal. So normally I don't get it because I've gotten very few flat tires in my life, but it was free, so I was able to get a replacement tire through them. Still had to pay for installation, mounting, balancing, all of that. But the tire itself was replaced for free, which is nice. And they are Bridgestone Alenzas. If you guys would like me to talk more about that tire or review it, there's not a whole lot of information out there beyond what you find on like Tire Rack as far as reviews and things. So if you want more information on that tire, let me know. And it's a tire I like, and I would recommend it. So something pretty interesting in the tire saga. I'm driving along on the highway and I get a low pressure alarm on my right front tire, which is where the new tire is sitting right now. And immediately I think to myself, oh, something's going on with that new tire. They didn't mount it right or something. Then about 3 seconds later, all the other tires, the 3 other tires, come up as low pressure. So now I'm getting 4 low pressure alarms at once, and I'm doing 65 on the highway. So I get over into the right lane, but I switch over to my screen which shows the pressures, and this is what I see. The pressures are all good, but I'm still getting those low pressure alarms. So I kept an eye on it. The pressures stayed the same. The only thing I can think is that I had just got done adjusting the tire pressures, because when they rotated my tires, they did not adjust the pressures. And on this car, the rear tires take 44, 45 psi cold, and the front ones take like 35. And I had just got done adjusting those before I got on the highway. So I don't know if something with that pressure change messed with the sensors. Have any of you guys seen this before? Has this been an issue for anyone? Please comment. I would love to hear about it. Anyway, I resolved it. When I came to a stop, I was able to do the tire pressure sensor reset, and everything came back up. Drove for a lot longer today, and the issue never came back, but that was a strange one. So finally, everything seems good. Got the new tire put on, got all my pressures correct, everything's holding well, and yeah, we'll go from here. My only concern is that the tread wear on the 3 that were left, it was borderline. So that was the right rear. The other rear, my left rear, was down to 8/30 seconds. The tires come with 10/30 seconds tread on them. I know that they say that the system can tolerate 1 or 2 30 seconds of wear difference between them. So I should be good. If I start to have any issues, I will certainly let you guys know. Alright, well, thanks for watching. If you have learned anything, please like, please subscribe, and I'll see you next time.